Hi, my name is Rick with Essentials, and today I'll be showing you how to install the Radiant Scent Diffuser. Once you receive the Radiant, inside the box of your Radiant Scent Diffuser will be the contents here. You're going to have the Radiant itself, you're going to have a plastic mounting bracket, the metal mounting bracket, the power cord, and you're going to have 4 screws. You're going to have 2 different size screws. The smaller screw we're going to use to mount onto the back side of the Radiant, and the 2 longer screws with the 2 green anchors we're going to use to mount onto the drywall. If you don't have a drill, all you need is a hammer, a level, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, and a Sharpie. If you do have a drill, you're going to need a 3/16 drill bit and a number 1 or a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver bit. Now, step 1, we need to prepare the Radiant for mounting. You need to flip the Radiant to the back side, and looking at these 2 holes, we're going to use the 2 smaller screws in the bag and put them right inside the holes here. You want to use your left hand or your opposite hand to hold the screw and just start screwing it in. The left hand here is going to support the screw to make sure that you are screwing it in straight. And you don't have to drill it in far, just about half of the screw or less than half of the screw into the back side of the Radiant. Again, just need to screw it in about halfway. Okay, so we're all set, and that's about how far it needs to look. For step 2 in the preparation, we're going to use the plastic mounting adhesive bracket. You see where the U shape is, we want it to be going upward. And then we have the 2 holes underneath the U-shape where we're going to be drilling in our screws. What you need to do is use a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, poke a hole through the hole underneath the U. On the back side, most importantly, we're going to do it on the back side of the plastic mounting bracket. Then we're going to use our level and Sharpie. Just want to get it level here and then draw a line through. Now that's our level line. Now we grab our plastic mounting bracket, level up with the top half of the Sharpie mark, and then we are gonna make 2 holes. Now this is where we're gonna use our number 1 Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer, and we're just gonna poke a hole. And still using the hammer, we're going to use the 2 green anchors. Doesn't have to be hard. Gently tap it in with the hammer. Now there's a sticky adhesive on the back side, so we want to take off. Now this is where we need to be precise. Match up on the top side of the Sharpie line and match up your first drill hole. And now with the adhesive, we don't want to just put it on here just like that. We want to use the back side of the screwdriver and kind of paint everything in. And you could actually see the actual adhesive change colors slightly when you are rubbing it in. And this is to ensure that the sticky part of the adhesive is keeping it secure. And then for the extra secure, we're gonna use the Phillips head screws. Screw it into the anchor. And the second screw into the second hole. Don't want to have too much forward pressure, just ease it on in there. Now we need to grab the Radiant that we prepared earlier. Here's the Radiant. Here are the screws that we screwed in Note how far we screwed the screws in. This is going to go in the top of the U. And now we have our power cord. Before we mount it, we want to put the power cord into the back side of the radiant. Line up the screws. And now we need to plug in the power cord. And you're all set. If you have any questions regarding installing the radiant, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching and enjoy scenting your space.